guys, welcome back to another video. How you all doing? Happy New Year to you all. We thank God for another year, and we pray this year we walk in our favor. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. My name is Cynthia. If you're coming across my video for the first time, you're highly welcome. To all my returning subscribers, you guys are highly welcome. So I just want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your support and love towards this channel. I really appreciate you all, because without you guys there is no me. You help me to grow this channel. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. In today's video, I'm going to be showing us how to make this A-line short dress with a best sleeve or funny sleeve. I'll be making use of 2.5 yards of Ankara fabric. So we'll go ahead and fold our fabric. I'll be cutting out the front and the back together. I will fold my fabric into two. I will fold it again like a triangle. I don't want it too full. If you want your dress to have more flare, you fold it more. The more you fold, the more flare effect you get. The length of my dress is 40 inches plus sewing allowance. Now we go to the upper part here and look for where the shoulder measurement fall into. The shoulder measurement I'm working with is 10 inches. Divided by 2 is 8 inches. Add half inch sewing allowance. So this is 8.5 inches. I'll make a straight line here. So that's the shoulder measurement. I'll mark 3 inches for the neck width. That's the wideness of the neck. I'll mark 1.5 inches for the back depth and 3 inches for the front depth. I'm not adding zip to the dress. I will make a back slit. So I'll make a curve here. This is the back neckline. This is the front neckline. I will go to the shoulder here and mark 1 inch for shoulder slope. I'll connect the shoulder slope to the neckline. So to get the armhole measurement, is either you place half of the round armhole measurement here, or you divide the bust measurement by 6 plus 1.5 inches. The one I'm working with is 8.6. So right from the armhole here, I will mark 8.6 inches. So this is 8.6. You mark here. So I'll place the bust measurement right on this place here. So this is now the chest line. And make sure this place is enough to accommodate the bust measurement. The bust measurement I'm working with is 42 inches. Divided by 4 is 10 3/4. I will mark 10 3/4 here. I will mark half inch for ease and 1 inch for sewing allowance. So I have 1.5 inches here. So I will go to the armhole side, look for the midpoint of the armhole. The midpoint is 4.3. I will connect it. This is the back armhole. Right on this midpoint here, I will go inside by half inch. So this is the front armhole. Now we connect it. So I will take the length of the dress. The dress length is 40 inches plus sewing allowance. I'll place my tape right on the shoulder here. The mark 40 inches round. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. I'll cut the back neckline. Cutting out the back armhole. I'll take it like so. I'll split the side open. So this is the back. I will cut the front neckline. I will cut out the front armhole. I'll bring the back side back. I'm going to be making about 6 inches slit. So I'll add 6 inches or 7 inches slit to the back side so that I can go through the neck easily. I'll make a back slit here. So we'll be cutting out the sleeves. We fold our fabric the same way we fold the dress. It's folded into two. I'm cutting out the 2 sleeves. I will fold it again like so. I will place the armhole measurement. We use 8.6 inches for the armhole. I will add 1 inch for sewing allowance, that is 9.6 inches. So I will look for where 9.6 inches fall into. This is 9.6 inches. I'll make a line here. I will go up by 4 inches. So I'll place my tape like so, place it across like so, and look for the midpoint. I have 10 inches here. I will make a mark here. I'll look for the midpoint of this line. So I have 10 inches here. The midpoint is 5 inches. So right on this midpoint here, I will go up by ½ inch and come down by ½ inch. Right on the midpoint. So you take it from here to this ½ inch, then bring it down to this ½ inch, like so. I will take the length of the sleeve. The sleeve length is 23.5 inches plus sewing allowance. I will mark 23.5 inches right from this upper part here, this 4 inches. Remember, I went up by 4 inches. Right on this line, I will mark 23.5 inches round. I'll just take it like so. Just place it here. Just place it here and rotate the tape round. I will go ahead and cut it out. And split this side open also. So we are done with the cutting. We'll go ahead and then put the fabric together. I will open up the front and the back, lay them against each other, right side facing right side. Meanwhile, I will hem the back slit. I will use 1/4 inch to hem the back slit round. Then join them together. I will use ½ inch to join the shoulders and use 1 inch to join the side. 1 inch is our sewing allowance. So I'll still join the sleeve together. Use 1 inch to join the side here. So guys, I've finished joining the front and the back together. I've also joined the sleeves. So what we are going to do, I will measure the neckline and use it to cut out the neckband. The neckline is 16 inches. I will use it to cut out the neckband. I will fold my fabric like so. Folded into 2 is 2.5 inches. So I fold it like so. When you open it, you have 5 inches. You fold it into 2, you have 2.5 inches. I will fold it again. 16 inches is the round neckline. Because I folded it into 2, so I will divide the 16 inches by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8 inches. I will add 1 inch for sewing allowance, that's 9 inches. So I will mark 9 inches like so. I will look for the midpoint of this 9 inches. 4.5 inches is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. So I will go inside by ½ inch here. And connect it. So I will connect it like so. I went in by ½ inch here. This is the midpoint, so I will connect this to meet the midpoint here. I'll go ahead and cut it out. So if your fabric is not hard, you can add interfacing to it. I'll split this open. I'll use ½ inch to join it here, the upper part, and bring it to this side. So I will stitch it right from here. I will leave about ½ inch here, stitch it up, then bring it like so, and bring it down, leave about ½ inch here. I will use the ½ inch to join it to the neckline. I will also attach the sleeve to the dress. I will turn the dress to the wrong side. This is the right side of the sleeve. I will tuck the sleeve inside. Match the side seam together. The sleeve side seam and the dress side seam. I'll use ½ inch to join them together. I'll repeat the same thing for the other side. So guys, I finished joining the sleeves to the dress. I've stitched the neckband. I ironed a very light interfacing on one side of the band. I stitch it and turn it inside out. So I will attach it to the neckline. I will attach it like so. I will start from the back side. This is the ½ inch I left unsewed. The right side of the band is facing the wrong side of the neckline. So this is the right side of the band, and this is the wrong side of the dress, the neckline. I will take it round. I will stitch it round with ½ inch. So after I've done that, I will use this to cover up the first stitch and stitch it round again. So guys, I'm done attaching the band to the neckline. This is the final look of the dress. Here's the sleeve. This is the back. I will add a pressing button or button to the back side. So I also hem the lower part. I use 1 inch to hem the lower part, and I use 1 inch to hem the sleeve as well. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Please subscribe to my channel if you're here for the first time. Love you all. Bye.